It's Monday, it's week 2, and a big welcome to Emily.
Hello, I'm Emily. I'm the movement director for Romeo and Juliet as we create this production.
Thank you. Josh, week 2.
Week 2.
What is week 2, day 1? What's happening now?
Well, so far this week, it's Monday morning, we have worked with Emily. We've done some lovely warming up and looking at space, our kinespheres, and the elements, sort of looking at weight and mass in our bodies and how that can influence your relationship with the space, but also character, I think. But then we've started looking at the beginning of the show and looking at how it starts in lovely, warm Verona and travels to Romeo and Juliet getting married. So we're looking at that section of the play.
Josh, you used the word kinesphere. Emily, can you tell us what that means?
Yeah, so your kinesphere is as far as you can reach with the extremity of your limbs. And I find it really helpful for an actor because it gives them a sense of spatial awareness and where their range of motion can go.
And who are you playing?
I'm playing Romeo.
Fantastic. And who's your Juliet?
This lovely lady here.
How's it been today in contrast to last week?
It's been good so far. I think it's quite different in that we're starting from a place where we are creating, as opposed to last week where the play had already been created and we were just kind of like honing in on the moments and I was learning the blocking.
Izzy, week 2, what have you taken from last week?
Oh, I've taken a lot of things. So I've gotten to know these guys mainly and how they work and how you guys process the piece and the characters and the movement, and watching you as a director as well, and just how as a team you've made a piece of theatre. So it's been really interesting to see that.
And Sota, who are you playing in this?
I'm the narrator, who is everybody and nobody, the linchpin of the conversation, the one who helps guide the audience through the story, I guess. Yeah.
And what have you done today so far?
So yeah, like Josh said, we've done a lot of work with Emily in creating the physical sequence for what the piece is going to become. It's really freeing. As opposed to what we've done with Macbeth, where everything was very, so this is it. Today we've literally been running around the space and seeing what happens, which is really fun.